Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to install FFmpeg on Windows 11. Go ahead and open your browser and search for FFmpeg install. Right here we have FFmpeg.org, you're going to click on it. And then you're going to scroll down to where you have Windows, hover over it, and then while hovered over it, we're going to select Windows build from guy.dev, click on it. Then on this page, you're going to scroll down to where you have git master build. And then under latest git master build, you're going to select FFmpeg get full.7z. Click on it, and this will start the download. And now we have it downloaded and we have it in our Windows Explorer. We're going to start the extraction. And then right now, you're going to click on extract to, and then the destination path will be somewhere other than your downloads. So we're going to change it to C FFmpeg. So we have C:/FFmpeg. Click OK. So now after extracting it, we've gone over to our C folder, and then we're going to open it once again, and then you're going to see bin. Click on it, and now that it's open, you can see the executable files. You're going to come over here and click on copy address. Then after you've copied it, then you're going to click on the Windows key, type path, and then you have edit the system environment variables. Click on it. So we now have this. We're going to come over here and click on environment variables, select path, click on edit, and then here you're going to click on new, paste in the path which you copied, click on OK, and then you're going to click on OK, click on OK one more time, and then next you're going to confirm if you installed it correctly. Click on your Windows, type in cmd, enter, right click on it, run it as administrator, type in FFmpeg, and when you see stuff like this, it means it's really installed. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.